Okay, hey guys, me here, Popsicle, and I'm back for another video. And I'm here with Kitty Lola 123. Sorry, I've got a cold. And I'm here with Kitty Lola 123, so say hi. Hopefully you guys could hear it. Anyway, Merry Christmas to the people who celebrate it, and if your Christmas was yesterday, then Merry Christmas yesterday, I think. And yeah. So, I don't know what I do in this video. It's really just Merry Christmas video. And I'm working on a music video. It should be finished by today. So, yeah. And, yeah, so, bye guys. That's all I have to say in this video, I think. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, I am Popsicle4, and I hope you enjoyed. Kitty, say bye. Bye. Okay, bye guys.